you be that woman. To knack not just dey your agenda again. Now waiting they always they bring quarry for you and Oga because it not just dey. And if might not dey there, Oga you can call talk. So okay, make I just cook my pity, make I give am to Oga. It go come be like say you go come dey like say that frustration. Because go come peel everywhere go come be as it gets. Say no more. This video is for you. You're welcome back to my channel, Susan Herbertis, where I give you some medicinal plants and living a healthy lifestyle. Yes, today I won't drop some recipe because I know say I first talk about maca. Maca na number one. This thing where you go put man and woman. I know say we get different kinds of maca. We go they make body, the sweetie body go they jollo you. Yes, some people go say, see the way this woman just they talk, she just they happy when she they talk about bola and pekus. Yes, not part of our life. It's part of existence. So when you dey defraud one of am, it dey cause kata make we face fat. It dey cause kata for marriage. Maybe the man no want to make a quarrel with you. The man fit go dey do am outside. Maybe the woman no want to make a quarrel with you. The woman go dey do am outside. I did a video where I talk say bola and pekus. It dey make some marriages they break. And when I go under my comment section, so people were like, you know, Richo, and some were like, ah, not true. Make we dey face reality. We do these things all the time. So today I won't drop the recipe where we go combine together. This now for women, not be for men. This is for women, so that body go dey sweet you before Oga go just touch you like this. Ah, you go don't move. Say okay, let's go. Only Oga said go come dey wonder. Waiting, madam, see. Because deep down inside you, you know that that man wants that thing, but because you cannot force it. It not just there. And when you are forcing it, it will come make you the verse. When the man they do am, you will come feel say the man they heartless. Say, oh, this man know they feel my pain. This man no say I no want this thing. You will come they complain. The man love you. The man feel your pain, but he won't get down. The man won't knock. And you will come see when he will come knock finish. He will come they tell you say, oh, I'm sorry. Are you angry? You don't need to be angry now. I don't want to go and do this thing outside. You won't make that one be your case. Get why? Muna listen, make una do this recipe. It works like magic. When it comes to knacking, make una ask Susan Herbertis. I am not ashamed to talk about it because it's what I do, and every other married couple then they do them, and even the ones who never married, where they say they don't fiance themselves, then they knack. So you get children and you take born your children, you knack. I know come live stream, come the knack. I'm just telling you how you can be able to spice up your bedroom matter. A lot of people they quarrel because of these things, but nobody will come to social media to come and tell you this is the reason I left you. No one will come tell you say, oh, now because of knacking I leave my husband. Now because of knacking I leave my wife. You know they cannot come and say it. Why won't they be able to say it? Because the society will not tag them. Hey, ordinary bola. Ah, this woman spoil. Ordinary pekus, this man spoil, but they can't forget say this thing I'm waiting. Somebody need to give body. It's just like somebody they sweat now, somebody won't sneeze. You can't say no sneeze. Yes, now if woman come, now sneeze it pekus sneeze. Abuna no. If man come, now sneeze na bola sneeze. So bola garu sneeze and pekus garu sneeze. Una get wetin I dey talk so make una write these 5 ingredients down we una go put together. We go dey make body dey sweet una once in a while, 2-3 times a week. When you know say Oga don dey tell you know say some make them won't knock you, then go dey tell you down in the morning. Hey, when you come say that kind of thing don dey happen. These things now waiting you go fix it for your house, and you are going to blend them together and save it and take the juice. Okay, we have the ginger, we have the cloves, we have honey, and we have garlic. Okay, how we go take do this thing? 400 ml of water. 400 ml of water. We go take small size of ginger, 1 clove of garlic, maybe like 10 pieces of clove. Then una go come add honey and onions. Then you blend it together, you drink the juice. It works like magic. Even if you have some medical condition where they make you not they feel honey, it go work, but with time it not go work again. Not until that thing where they make you they feel like that is taken care of, it will come back again, like the hormonal imbalance. Yes, like some medication, like so many other things. If you want to know the reasons why you know they feel say you won't knack, go and watch the video on reason why I don't feel like knacking. And I know I see the done when it comes to Susan Herbal Tips. I'll see you all again on my next one. Bye.